Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available screen off gestures on Realme 12. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then navigate to additional settings at the bottom. You should be able to find gestures and motions. First option is screen off gestures. You will need to enable them to see all of the settings. And the first one is double tap to wake or turn off screen, draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on or off a flashlight, and music control. If we lock our phone and double tap, it should wake up or turn off our screen. Then there's draw O to open camera, draw V to enable or disable the flashlight. And music control works like this. You need to draw arrow to the right to play next track, draw arrow to the left to play previous track, and draw the pause button to play or pause music. And the rest of the options work the same way. So we have draw arrow up, draw M, and draw W. If you click on one of them, you'll be able to assign different actions for that gesture. And in this case, let's go with the open app and maybe videos. Now, when we lock our phone, we can draw arrow to the app pointing up, and then unlock our phone, enter the password, and it will perform one of the actions you assigned to it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.